Lindsay Lohan steals the spotlight at Mean Girls premiere. In a stunning and fashionable display, Lindsay Lohan stole the show at the Mean Girls movie premiere. This highly anticipated event showcased Tina Fey's reimagining of the iconic comedy as a musical. Lohan, who originally starred in the classic film, looked more stunning than ever as she celebrated this exciting milestone. Tina Fey, the mastermind behind Mean Girls, famously never considered writing a sequel to the hit film. However, she has since expressed regret about this decision. At the time, Fey wanted to spark a conversation about the possibility of a sequel, but that idea never materialized. Lohan's presence at the premiere not only brought back memories from the beloved original movie, but also generated speculation about a potential sequel in the future. Fans were thrilled to see her in attendance and couldn't help but wonder if this meant a sequel was on the horizon. Dressed to impress, Lohan turned heads on the red carpet with her eye-catching ensemble. Her outfit perfectly captured the spirit of Mean Girls, showcasing elegance and sophistication while still retaining a youthful vibe. Lohan's flawless appearance demonstrated that she has remained a style icon throughout the years. As Lohan celebrated Fey's musical adaptation, she expressed her gratitude for the enduring popularity of the film and the impact it has had on fans worldwide. Mean Girls continues to resonate with audiences, reminding them of the trials and tribulations of high school life, as well as the importance of friendship and empowerment. While a sequel may still be up in the air, the Mean Girls premiere was a momentous occasion, bringing together the original cast and fans alike. Lohan's striking presence only added to the excitement surrounding the event and the potential future of the Mean Girls franchise. As fans eagerly await news about a possible sequel, one thing is for certain: Lindsay Lohan's star power and undeniable talent continue to shine bright.